we are at the ferry restaurant. So let's start the vlog.
I don't know, but there's another set of food in there. No, in the glass.
No, these are the salads.
Yeah. Just like appetizer. This is sweet.
These all are sweets.
No, this one is sweet. It's mungo beans. Is it? Don't shut it down. You have shrimp at the top.
These are chicken one, right?
That's chicken, yeah. And then you have the shrimp at the top. Yeah. We call it tempura. So these seafoods, you can choose anything that you like and put it on your hot pot. So like this crab balls, this is oyster. Is it oyster? Yeah. Mussels. Chicken sausage, crab sticks, and then here's another seafood, sets of seafood.
These all are seafood. Yeah, they mentioned already. These are shrimps and these are.
This is still on your hot pot. Yeah. And then this is for your grilling. So you have squid, you have chicken, you have chicken heart, chicken wings, chicken legs. Everything is marinated.
And I don't know how to.
Yeah, that's it. Let's try it. Yeah.
It's really good. Yeah, I like it. So we have to eat all of things with this chopsticks.
No.
But I like the sushi.
That's good. This is type of sauce that's
Ferry sauce.
yeah, it's their signature sauce.
And it's the spicy one, right?
Yeah, me I like it like Thai sweet and sour, sweet and spicy. Sorry, this is Thai sauce. It's a signature sauce of the Thailanders.
So you have to eat sushi with the sauce, right? It's not gonna fall down.
I hope so. And you're shaking. Actually, there's a lot of food there. But chicken, I like sweet food. That's really good. This is salty, sweet, and spicy.
With the passage of time, you're gonna be used to it.
See? But I'm trying my best for your vlog. Pretending that I'm hustler.
What is this? Shrimp?
No. Squid.
Spin?
Squid.
Squid?
Squid.
Squid? But after that, after finish this?
You have to eat first.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay.
Yeah, you try it, right? You should try it.
Yeah, I never tried this thing. This is my first time I'm trying even sushi. Yeah.
They come back.
Yeah.
It's a hot pot, man. You don't have to
Yeah, I know that. Okay, so you put the vegetables inside and that's it on one?
Yeah. Everything that you like fish, chicken, seafoods, vegetables. And then you have to put it with the sauce.
Inside the soup. Inside
In your bowl.
Okay.
It's sotanghon.
No, it's a thin, right?
Yeah. It's sotanghon. Like sotanghon. I think sotanghon is Chinese or Japanese. I'm not sure. But it's kind of Filipino also. Because we are eating a lot of this in the Philippines.
And what is this?
This is crab balls. And this is I think shrimp balls. And then yeah, grab your peanut sauce. So this is the combination of
The sauce that we
peanut,
made already.
okay, peanut oyster sauce, soy sauce.
Like if I'm not
The
gonna
crumble is so good.
this one, this is shrimp. No, this is
You have to cut it on
what do we
half.
call it? What do you call it?
Crumble.
Carbo?
Crab.
Crab.
Because it's made of crab. These noodles is like foreign in our country.
It's really awesome.
Since we are kids, we are adapting this food.
So like you guys eat it from your childhood.
Yeah, mussels like you know the family of oysters. They see them in the sea, right? You don't know. What? Don't you have ocean in your country?
Also in my country, but I never tried seafood. And I don't even know the business. And maybe I know it, but right now I don't know.
I do know to you.
Food is like healthy vegetable because there are a lot of vegetables in all food. But in our food there are like so many oily, spicy, salty and spicy. Spicy most. We finish the dish.
You can do it, Dave. You can do it. Push, push.
Yeah, Dave, you can do it. You can do this as well.
No. I have a lot in my. If I get high blood, you'll bring me home.
Okay. So guys, this is the end of today's video, and Dave gonna end this vlog. You wanna say something? You wanna say something? Nothing? Okay guys, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.